Repointing is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of brick walls. Over time, the mortar between bricks can deteriorate, allowing water to seep in and cause damage. Repointing involves replacing the old mortar with new matching material to seal cracks and prevent further issues. While it may seem like a simple DIY task, it's best left to experts who can ensure a proper, long-lasting repair. Investing in professional repointing can save you from costly wall repairs down the line and keep your home strong and secure. Call Action Restoration for your free assessment, 613-294-9239.